Lovely, please get your quizzes.
During the class discussion, Lovely won't listen by scrolling on her phone instead, and she doesn't do her homework.
Good evening, Papa.
Good evening. How's your class today?
It's kind of fun.
What do you mean kind of?
Because here are my grades. I don't know with my math subject why it is low. Because I passed all my quizzes and my projects and my exams are complete, but I don't know why. Maybe because our teacher doesn't favor on me because her favorite student is the one with our top one, and maybe because she wants to become her favorite student to be on top, and not me.
Oh my god, this is not nonsense, okay? 79 you gave me. So you completed your quizzes, right?
Yes,
Completed in examination
yes,
and other performance.
yes, and then positive. Yes.
I think your teacher is very biased to other students, or she drug you down or drug you down or anything else that maybe impact sa grades mo. I was so disappointed. Baka mali si teacher nito kasi kumpleto ka naman sa lahat ng mga quizzes, di ba?
Yes.
Kumpleto talaga ba? Other examination, kumpleto ba?
Yes, Dad.
O sige, pupunta tayo sa school right now.
Come in.
Good day, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
A little bit confused and disappointed because I have a raised concern to my daughter because she had a bad grade. Or maybe you have a lacking of computation to my daughter's grade book in her math subjects. Do you have a problem with my daughter?
Sir Ron, I understand how you feel. Please take a seat first and talk about it. Ano na po ba nga? Sir.
So how about math? You will change my daughter's grade and I will give you a token of appreciation. If you want to, I will add any amount or any digits.
I'm sorry, sir. That's against the code of ethics. And grades aren't things that you can buy. It's about working hard to earn that grade. And your daughter should really work hard for her grades. And if you want, I can give her remedial exams, or in other ways, she can, comply to at least let's add some numbers in her grades.
Are you sure, ma'am?
She has to earn that. You don't have to buy it.
If you want, I will give you any amount.
Not really, sir. It's against my code. It's against the code of ethics, and I'm true to my job.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Surely, agree.
You can go out now, sir. I'm done talking to you now.
So,
You've understand na your daughter's grade, and I think I've done my role as a teacher.
thank you, ma'am. I appreciate it.
Under Article 9, the Teachers and Parents Section 1 is every teacher shall establish and maintain cordial relations with parents and shall conduct himself to merit their confidence and respect. And under Section 3, a teacher shall hear parents' complaints with sympathy and understanding and shall discourage unfair criticism.